Because of the consistent turn of events and promotion of the thoughts of the digital money local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and reasonable arrangements that could further develop client association with crypto. One of these tasks is the Universe organization and its inward computerized coin. IOTA Universe is an environment comprised of blockchains that can cooperate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was secluded and couldn't cross with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Additionally, it was challenging to accomplish high exchange speed. Nonetheless, Universe offers another innovative vision. In Universe, the blockchains fill in as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by Jaquan in 2014. Universe makes an environment of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Universe project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the connection objectives: versatility, Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure, confirmation of stake calculation, and cross-blockchain bands. In a couple of words, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, BFT, is a property of a framework fit for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the issues of Byzantine commanders. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting perniciously. Adaptability is a fundamental element of any undertaking pointed towards supporting future application advancement. Universe will probably build its adaptability utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones working lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, understanding convention, and essential language. The POS technique depends on a bunch of semi-confiding hubs for casting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs tell the truth, the convention will work with next to no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of particle tokens as guarantee. Any hub that observes that it is acting with vindictive aim will be erased from the framework, and its particles will be scorched. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Universe center. Notwithstanding, they likewise send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to affirm that the comparing sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are hindered in a situation with a few marks until the extension confirmation device opens them. In like manner, it annihilates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move computerized resources in various chains. IOTA is a local cryptographic money used to pay exchange charges at the Universe principal focus and take part in the agreement cycle. Universe Value Investigation. Universe is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee cooperation between them. The organization works on the Tendermint Agreement calculation, and the designers position it as a web of blockchains. On August 18, IOTA's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Universe engineers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Incorporation of CIF Chain, a decentralized trade, DEX, on Universe organization, with the Between Blockchain Correspondence, IBC, convention permitted to manage exchanges among Universe and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, IOTA USD halted the hop on September 14, withdrawing to the past all-time high help level of $32.50, with a few days of union around the cost region. On September 16, the Universe cost made another push higher, laying out a new low top as bulls were not yet all set any further. Then again, the particle coin has kept on ascending since August 23. It pushed through a few snags before at long last breaking out of a transient combination range toward the start of September. The IOTA project digital money swapping scale in this manner passed the $40 mark, laying out another unsurpassed most extreme cost of $44.42 on September 20. Universe Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Universe costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Universe will be $12.39. The most extreme level that the particle cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Molecule value gauge for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down universe costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $11.58. The most reduced and top molecule rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022, universe value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the molecule cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the universe cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. Particle value gauge for November 2022. Having examined universe costs, digital money specialists expect that the particle rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the determined normal of universe is almost $12.29. December 2022, universe value figure. Around mid-2022, the universe cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the IOTA cost could change somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of universe in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of universe will be around $18.42. The greatest expected molecule cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of universe, in 2024, particle is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of universe and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base molecule cost could drop to $38.62, while its greatest can reach $45.87. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Universe value expectation 2020